Welcome to another tutorial by Recurring Reflection. Today we'll be focusing on finding the equation of a quadratic function, which is also known as a parabolic function. So the question of today says find the equation of a parabola f of x if you are given the sketch which is below. So on the sketch you will notice the Cartesian plane with our y labeled at our x and a parabola of f of x. And you also notice that we are given the turning point, which is 2 and minus 6, and another point, which is minus 2 and 10. So from here, the first thing that we are going to see is that our graph is smiling. That's the shape of it. So what this tells us is that our a, or the value of a, is greater than 0. So from the previous video we discussed and we talked about different methods, which were the three introduced in the previous video, that we use when we find the equation of a quadratic function. So on this method we are going to use what we referred to in the previous video as the second method, which is the turning point formula. That's the formula that we are going to use to find the equation. So the formula is going to be y is equal to a open brackets x plus p all squared plus q. So one thing that you should also know is that our p and q in coordinate form is the same as 2 and 6. So PQ are the coordinates of the turning point, so it's 2 and minus 6. So we are going to substitute 2 and minus 6 on this formula, and we are also going to substitute y and x using the coordinates of this point, which is minus 2 and 10. So on y we're going to put 10 and x we're going to put minus 2. So therefore this is going to give us 10. It's equal to a open bracket minus 2 minus 2 all squared minus 6. We are going to take the 6 on the other side, so it's going to give us 16. So it's going to be 16 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 is going to give us minus 4. All squared is going to give us 16, so it's going to give us 16a. We're going to divide both sides by 16, so it's going to give us a is equal to 1. So that's the value of a. So from here we are going to calculate the value of b. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute the value of a that we have found on this formula here, which is y is equal to a open bracket x plus p close bracket all squared plus q. So you're going to substitute that. But right now we are not going to substitute the coordinates of the other point. We are not going to substitute 10 and minus 2. We're just going to leave it as y and x. So then we are going to say y it's equal to 1 x minus 2 squared minus 6. This is going to give us that y it's equal to x squared. We got rid of the 1 because I noticed from get-go that even if we keep it, so let me just keep it so that you don't get confused. 1 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 minus 6. So this is going to give us that y is equal to, we multiply everything with 1, so it's still going to be x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 6, which is going to give us x squared minus 4x minus 2. This is going to be the equation of f of x. So therefore this is the equation of f of x that we were asked to find. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share our videos, and click here to subscribe, and also click here to watch more educational videos from Recurring Reflections. And don't forget to get in touch with us on our social medias account.